Today, I'm going to tell you how to store coriander fresh and sparkling for about 30 days. For this, we will start the preparations now. Get a bowl ready, and I'm going to now add a few ice cubes to this bowl. Typically, about 8 to 10 should be sufficient. We will top this up with some normal water, and now I'm going to take a bunch of coriander leaves and nicely going to wash this thoroughly and ensure that all the dirt comes out of this completely. The point to be noted here is that it is done in ice cold water or in water with added ice cubes. Once all the dirt is out, we will now wash this with normal water, which is not cold, and ensure that all the remaining particles come out completely. Now I'm going to remove the root portion of this coriander. I'm using a scissor here. I remove it completely. The root portion is discarded, and now I'm going to use a cloth to place the leaves on it and remove all the old leaves. Ensure that all the old and worn out leaves, white looking leaves, need to be removed completely, and also the twigs which are kind of black need to be removed, and I place this on the cloth. Now we use this cloth to ensure it removes all the water. We will then use a dry tissue to nicely dab off all the water content and remove all the moisture thoroughly from this. Now this is dry and ready to be stored. Now we take a small plastic container, we top it up with a tissue up front. On top of the tissue, we are going to now place the coriander leaves, store it completely, ensure all the leaves individually are stored, and on top of that we're going to nicely place a tissue piece and close this container in an airtight manner, and this can be stored for about 30 days in the fridge.